how to solve for x. In this video, I'm going to break it down step by step. How do we solve this equation that involves a remainder theorem? If you are new to this channel, please subscribe, then comment your question so that you can get full back on our daily math classes. First of all, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get these terms to the same base of 3. So it's gonna be 3x cubed over 9 is gonna be 3 squared x, which is equals to 3 raised to 4. The next step, 3 raised to x cubed multiplied by 3 raised to 2x. This time is going to be negative because from this part, which is equal to 3 to the power 4. Now you can see that we've got all these terms on the same basis. So if I have something in the form of a is equals to m and b a raised to b multiplied by a is equals to b raised to b. That means a is equals to b. So that's what we have here. I'm going to apply that property here. So we're going to have x cubed minus 2x is equals to 4. So to make this a quadratic, we just gonna bring this 4 to this side. So it's gonna be x cubed minus 2x minus 4 is equals to 0. So by the time that I said it involves the remainder theorem, from here we can see that we cannot use a quadratic formula just to get the factors. We are going to use this remainder theorem. Now, to start off, first of all, we're just gonna let x is equals to 1 on this equation. So it's gonna be 1, 3 minus 2 times 1 minus 4 is equals to 0. 1 minus 2 minus 4 is equals to 0. So it's negative 3. So 1 is rejected. We're going to try with 2. Remember that we just want to get the factors of this trinomial. X is equals to 2. So if we substitute with 2 is 2 raised to 3 minus 2 times 2 minus 4 is equals to 0. 8 minus 4 is equals to 0. So this one is correct because 0 is equal to 0. So now we know that x minus 2 is a factor from this point. Now we're going to use the remainder theorem to get the other factors. Now we have x minus 2 x cubed minus 2x minus 4. So we are going to divide this with this. X cubed divided by x is x squared. X multiplied by x is x cubed. Negative 2 multiplied by negative x squared is negative 2x squared. Negative 2x squared. So subtracting these, we get 0 here, and we get 2x squared here. The next step, 2x squared divided by x is positive 2x. 2x. This multiplied by this is 2x squared. This multiplied by this is negative 4x. 4x. And remember that we still have this negative 2 up in here. So it's going to be negative 2x. And this. So subtracting these, we're going to get 0 here and positive 2x. Remember that we still have this negative 4, so we're going to bring it down here. Then again, we divide. 2x divided by x, positive 2. This multiplied by this is 2x. This multiplied by this is negative 4. Subtracting all of these, we get 0. So we were correct by saying that x minus 2 is a factor of x cubed minus 2x minus 4. So I'm going to write out the factors. The factors are x minus 2 and x squared plus 2x plus 2 is equals to 0. So immediately here you can see that you're going to have two sets of equation, which is x minus 2 is equals to 0, or x squared plus 2x plus 2 is equals to 0. So solving these, on this side you're gonna have x is equals to 2, and on this side we're gonna have and to get the factors of x squared plus 2x plus 2, we're gonna use the quadratic formula. So it becomes x is equals to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So looking at this equation, we can see that a is equals to 1, b is equals to 2, and c is equals to 2. So what we're gonna do here, it's all about substitution. So x is equals to negative 2 plus or minus square root of 2 squared is 4 minus 4 times 1 times 2. This is 8. 4 minus 8 is negative 4. All over 2, and a is 1. So we have negative 2 plus or minus 4 minus 8 is negative 4 all over 2. So we can see from here we have a negative square root number. If you don't know what to do on this part, I suggest you watch one of my videos on complex numbers. Basically here we have the root of 4 then I, imaginary number. So if you want to get those details, you're gonna have to watch that video just to learn complex numbers. So it's gonna be the root of 4i all over 2. So dividing this, we get a negative number, which is negative 1 plus or minus the root of 4 is 2 divided by 2 is 1, which becomes I. So this one is going to be rejected because we have a negative number. A negative x is rejected. The only answer that suffices this type of question is x is 2. So thank you guys for watching. Hoping to see you once again tomorrow when you continue with grade 12 stuff. Sharp.